आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 25th August 2020. Now country has increased the number by 7,43,480 and recovered cases of 24,04,585. The headlines are COVID-19 recovery rate improves to over 75,000 person in a country. Number of recoveries more than 3 times the active cases. Assam Higher Secondary Education Counseling decided to reduce 30% syllabus for the current academic year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Government announces tax exemption for the business with an annual turnover of up to the 40 lakhs rupees. Massive relief for the reuse for operation underway in a building collapse mishap for the in Raigad district of Maharashtra. Government extended validity to the motor vehicle document till the 31st of the December. Now news in detail. The union government has decided that the total number of recoveries from the COVID-19 in the country has increased and reached over the 23,38,000. Country's recovery rate countries improved the 75.27%. In all, the 57,469 people have been the cure of the coronavirus during the last 24 hours. The Health Ministry says the recovery of the COVID-19 patient in the country are the more than the 3 times the active cases. A single day spike for the 61,400 and the 8 cases look the India's coronavirus case loaded to the 31,6,348. The death toll for the climb to the 57,542 with the fatality bill the reported in the span of the 24 hours. The Health Ministry today said that India has tested more than 3.5 crore people for the COVID-19 so far. Resolutely the following for the test, track and the treat strategy. In the tweet, the ministry said as a first step toward timely identification, promote the isolation and effective treatment. Higher testing also resulting limiting the spread of infection. The Union Territory of the Jammu and the Kashmir, the health expert from the said that through the COVID-19 may be appear that the lethal among the men and compared to the women. It has the caused death at a same rate among the men and women in the Kashmir. This was the total for the Dr. Roof Hussain and in the charge date analysis selection for the divisional COVID-19 control room Kashmir in Srinagar yesterday. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal tested positive for the COVID-19 yesterday. Early the Chief Minister tested negative on the Thursday and he had the home quarantine himself for the precautionary measure for the 3 days. He went to the COVID tested after the Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has tested positive, with whom he had attained a virtual meeting with Punjab Chief Minister. In Bihar, over 1 lakh patients have been so far been recovered from COVID-19 infection. All the 2,908 people recovered from the virus infection in last 24 hours. In Maharashtra, the COVID tally has risen for the 6,93,398 with the addition of 11,015 new corona cases yesterday calculate. According to the state public health department, 212 fatality were be reported during the last day and taking the death toll for the 22,465. Assam High Secondary Education Counseling has decided to reduce the 30% of the syllabus for the academic year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The sources said the notification in this regard will be issued soon. The decision was taken in the recent meeting for the Counseling Academic Committee, and the decision will be implemented for the student for the 11th and the 12th classes in all the arts, commerce, science streams with the certain conditions. Our correspondent report that the Education Department has set up a task force for which had decided the reopening of the education institution, and the Assam government willing for the resume the classes from 1st of the next month subject to approval of the center. The Ministry of Finance has said the business with the annual turnover of up to the 40 lakhs rupees are the GST exempt. Initially, the limit was 20 lakh rupees. In a tweet, the Finance Minister said the additional those with a turnover up to the 1.5 crore rupees can be opted for the consumptions scheme for the pay only the 1% tax. It said only the GST are the implemented. The tax rate is large number of the item was brought it down. As now the 28% rate is almost slowly restricted in the scene and the luxury items. Out of the total of the 230 items in the 28% slab, about the 200 items have been shifted to the lower slab. The ministry also informed that the significant relief have been extended to be the construction sector, and particularly for the housing sector, which has been the place at a 5% tax rate. GST on the affordable housing has been reduced to the 1%. The Finance Minister said all the process in the GST have been fully automated for the till the now 50 crore turnover have been the failed online. In Maharashtra, a massive rescue for the Operation National Disaster Response Force team is underway for the rescue for people from the debris in the 5-story building in the Mahad in Raigad district. The building, which was a 10-year-old, collapsed last evening, and the 3 teams are NDRF were be sent immediately from the Pune in Mahad. 9 persons were be the rescues by the fire bridges and local administration in the night. 1 person died during the treatment and 8 people are injured in the mishap. Home Minister Amit Shah said that the collapsed building for the Raigad, Maharashtra is very tragic, and Mr. Shah spoke for the Director General of the National Disaster Response Force and DRF is prove all the possible assistance. Road Transport and the Highway Ministry has decided to extend the validity for the motor vehicle document till the 31st of the December. The ministry had the earlier issued the advisory on the 30th March and 9th June this regarding the extension of the validity of the document related for the Motor Vehicle Act and the Center Motor Vehicle Rules. It was advised that the validity is fitness, the permit, license and registration and or other the concerned document may be reiterated to be the valid for the 30th of the September. In Uttar Pradesh, the state government will be prepared for the database or the migrant workers of the state government worker working for the different countries of the world. It will be help with the providing them the assistance during any emergency. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath yesterday launched the ambitious NRI Unified Portal. Speaking at a launch for the Yogi Adityanath said that is a portal would not only help for the investment in a state but also provide the opportunity for those who want to be the good abroad. Our correspondent report said the website nri.up.gov.in will be also provide the platform for the NRIs keen for known about their roots or those seeking help from the UP government related to their homes and family in a state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be share the thoughts will be the people in a country and abroad in a Mann Ki Baat program on the All India Radio on the Sunday. It will be also the 68th episode for the monthly radio program. In a tweet, the Mr. Modi said he is also looking forward to the ideas and inputs of people for the programming. He said the people can share the view and Namo app and My Government form open forms. You were listening the audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 25th August 2020. Same bulletin is telecast on 26th August 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को आपको किस तरह सब्सक्राइब करना है। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ब्राउज़र खोलिए, या तो आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, यूट्यूब को खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च करिए, सर्च बटन पर टाइप कीजिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। जैसे ही आप ये करते हैं ये आपके सामने खुल जाएगा। इसके खुलने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर साई SAI आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है। लाल रंग का जो बटन आपको ये दिख रहा है लाल रंग का, इसको आप क्लिक करिएगा। जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद दाएं कोने पर जाइए, दाएं कोने पर ऑल पर्सनलाइज नन, इसमें आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल पर्सनलाइज बटन को प्रेस करेंगे, ऑल बटन दबाएं। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन आपको लाल नहीं दिखाई देगा। आप सब्सक्राइब समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साइन न्यूज़ या समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करते जैसे ही आप करेंगे, उसके बाद समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया और साइन न्यूज़ पर जैसे जैसे वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे वैसे ही बिना देर के आपको ये सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आने चालू हो जाएंगे। आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की सारे वीडियोस देख सकेंगे। आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाइए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को कहिए वे भी सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। नमस्कार।